Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl again. Guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Amarachi Okoha and you're highly welcome on my YouTube channel. Returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for always returning to see this ordinary girl. Thank you for loving me, guys. Welcome back again. So today I bring you product review. Yeah guys, I've been using this particular product for a while now and I've seen a lot of things. Okay guys, before now I normally get comment like you're adding weight, guys, after my second baby you're adding weight, you're not looking more fatter than before and all that. I know how people talk, chat, and my job with a lot of people, they will give you comments without minding how it's going to affect you mentally. They will just dish it out to you. If you're okay, fine, but not okay, that is your business. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please do me the favor, click on the subscribe button right now and also turn on your post notification bell, so when next I post a video you'll definitely be the first person to see. I decided to go online to see what I can actually do for myself, and I find this particular product so interesting with a lot of reviews that people have already given to the product and the comments and all that. So I decided to try it on my own, and I promised myself that if this product is actually working just the way people said it, I'm going to come back here and testify. So guys, this is me coming to give you my own review on what I have used. I'm still currently using it because the one I'm going to show you is already open. That is to show that I have been using it, like it's working for me perfectly. So guys, let's not waste more time. Let's dive into the video. This product is known by name Natural Cleanser. Yes, Natural Cleanser, that is the name. Guys, it's just like tea, like all this our lifting and all that. Slim tea, weight loss tea, reduce fat bellies and all that. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the product now. But before then, if you have not subscribed, I'm begging you, please hit that subscribe button right away. This is it. I hope you can see the name very well. Guys, can you see the name? Can you see it? This is the tea. Yes, so this one is already open, as you can see. That is to show you that I've been taking it, guys. Yes, it's open. I have been taking this product for some time now. I've been taking it for a while now, and please, I'm going to say this product is not meant for breastfeeding mothers. Yes, if you are breastfeeding or you are pregnant, please don't take this. Don't take the product. It's only made when you are free, when you're not breastfeeding or when you're not pregnant. That is the only time you can take it. From what the manufacturer said, natural cleansing tea contains no added sugar, which makes it the ideal choice of a healthy lifestyle, and is also traditionally used to regulate bowel movement and reduce body weight. Yes, this is written by the manufacturer and not me. Guys, when you buy it, you will see it here. It's boldly written. So, why am I doing review on this product is, I know after giving birth and all that, you tend to add weight. It's natural phenomenon, guys. Some people have the body, meanwhile others have the one that after giving birth, maybe they will slim down or me, I have the type of when I'm pregnant, I don't add up. Like when I'm pregnant, I totally slim down. Then after giving birth, while you're still at a mobile and all that, you see me adding a lot of weight. So after my second baby, I added so much that people were complaining. So I decided to help myself, and this is what I got for myself. I've used many of these packs. So now is the time for me to show you the product. So maybe if you are in my situation, or if you are there, or you are there right now and you want to do something to change the situation, this is actually the best. Guys, it's not much we will do surgery or do some exercise. If you're the type that you cannot do exercise much, maybe exercise is stressful and all that, sometimes painful. Yes, there's some exercise that when you indulge in it, after the exercise you feel a lot of pains. Guys, I'm not in for the gym thing. It's not my thing. So I decided to help myself this way. And here it says not to be used by pregnant women. Guys, I've said that earlier, not to be used by pregnant women or lactating mothers or children under 12 years. Please wash your kids. All you have to do is just take out one like this for it. Guys, I told you earlier, it's already open because I've been using it. and in the is 30 bags in here, 30 bags. Like this packet or this sachet is 30 in this particular pack. You see 30 pieces of it. So I decided to be doing it two sachets or one sachet. What I use is one daily. Yes, what I use is one daily. So all I have to do is just boil hot water, put it in a cup like this, you put it there, leave it for some minutes. You can take it maybe very early in the morning or late after before going to bed. Yes, maybe after eating dinner and all that, before you go to bed, you just do this and take it. This thing actually worked for me. That is why I'm here to share this review with you guys. I know what I'm saying. I can't come and be capping you what I don't know. Okay guys, let me head to the maybe side effects. Yes, they said every particular medicine out there has its own side effect. In my own terms, I'm not going to call it side effect, but just be mindful that sometimes, depending on your body or system, you may experience some abdominal pains or sometimes vomiting. Yes, some abdominal pains or sometimes vomiting. This abdominal pains usually is something that I've tried a lot of products and is always written there. Yes, this abdominal pain is always, all you have to do is that if in your own case, maybe after taking it and you're experiencing some abdominal pain, I would advise take a lot of water to regulate your bowel movement. So this is what I have used and it actually worked for me. Here I'm telling you right now, if you're in my situation and you want to try something, this is it for you guys. I've opened it. This is it inside. It's 10 pack, it's 10 sachet inside, and here is remaining just 4. That's to say I've been taking it, and this is not the first packet I actually bought from the store. This is manufactured in Malaysia, so feel free to call it Malaysian tea, because we also have other herbal tea that we do call Chinese tea, right? So guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have seen this particular product or if you have used it anywhere, or what you think about the product review or the work of my body, because guys, I'm telling you, it really worked for me. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe right away. I'll be seeing you in my next video. So bye.